Introducing the Revo 5. This is our new dynamo light, and it's been to places that most lights will never go. Ultra endurance races through endless nights, multi-day bike packing trips through remote terrain, and not to mention Monday commutes through British winters. The Revo 5 delivers unlimited runtime from any AC dynamo hub. This light represents a major leap forward in the evolution of our Revo. Riders now demand full brightness from the start, device charging and off-the-bike capability. So we've added a pre-chargeable internal battery, USB-C output and a long-running standlight function. This is the first dynamo light to combine all three of these features. The Revo 5 6063 CNC machined aluminium body with a gunmetal anodized finish is built to last decades. Being IP68 rated means it can survive complete submersion, and an IK09 impact rating means it can take a beating. Rain, crashes, rough handling, it keeps working. And if the worst does happen, a 3-year warranty and lifetime serviceability has you covered. It's made here in the UK and it weighs under 150 grams. Let's get technical. The Revo 5 runs 2 programs that can be changed with a simple press of a button. Program 1 is battery priority, variable light output based on power. The dynamo will prioritize charging the internal battery before charging your devices. This is great for adventures, bike packing and touring. Program 2, light priority. Constant light output regardless of speed. This is great for racing, commuting or anywhere where consistent brightness is important. On the rear you'll find our stainless steel function button, a dynamo connection point and a single bicolour LED. This LED uses a traffic light system, red, amber and green, which gives an at-a-glance indication of battery percentage and the mode selected. When the light is off, it flashes when charging or receiving dynamo power, indicating the charge level. Talking of charging, it has 2 USB-C ports. The left powers our red-eye rear light. The right either charges the Revo before your ride or powers your phone, GPS or camera during your ride, depending on the program. It lays down up to 2000 lumens, which is twice as much as the best dynamo lights currently on the market, and it does so in a 12-degree spot beam for long throw distance. It has 3 modes in each program: high, low and day bright pulse. The Revo has always been about unlimited runtime. The Revo 5 keeps that and adds versatility. That long ride you've been postponing, the one that finishes in the dark or takes you to some far corner of the globe. With the Revo 5, battery anxiety won't stop you anymore.